kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City.
Yes.
And we're invited by
Jung Spa.
So, ayun guys, for today's video, it's a Pamper Day.
Super Pamper Day ang inaasahan natin ngayong araw na to. Dahil nabalitaan ko na ang Jung Spa ang pinakamalaki dito sa Angeles City.
Wow, this is actually the biggest.
The biggest.
And most numbered beds. So, doon sa first level po nila, they have around more than 30 beds.
Yes.
And here, at the second level, they have more than 40.
Wow.
So, ayun guys, this is their lobby. So, habang nakikiusap yung mga kasama natin, I wanna give you an idea of what it looks like to be here. So, ito po yung entrance natin. Actually, they have 2 floors. So, this is the first one, and then the second one, we're gonna be there later on. Pero this is where they greet them, no? So, ito yan. Napaganda dito, they are the largest spa na we have been. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Papakita namin sa inyo how big is this place. Okay. So, my first impression is actually, it doesn't look like a spa, no? Parang nasa mga hotel. Ganun siya kaganda. And a little bit luxurious, plus the touch of wood elements. Ganyan.
Bali dito meron kaming 8 rooms. Meron silang 3 bed yung minimum, then 6 bed yung pinakamarami, then 4 bed.
May group po talaga dito.
Yes. Kahit pag isa lang yung guest, siya lang talaga yung sa room.
Kahit na tatlo po yung bed.
Oo, para privacy niya.
Okay.
Then dito yung mga single bed. But the minimum beds are 3. Pero kung isa lang yung guest, private siya rin. Hindi namin siya sasamahan.
Ang galing mo.
So isa pa rin yung mag-ano dito. Wow.
So kahit mag-isa ka, sa'yo lahat yung pinaka buong space.
Yes.
So kahit magpili ka na lang kung anong bed yung gagamitin mo.
I know you said to me I'm not gonna play your game. You got no chance.
Isa sa mga rooms po nila ito, although it's similar dun sa previous room na pinuntahan natin, which is a group room. So normally guys, pupunta dito sa Jung Spa mga Koreans. And sabi ng mga owners natin dito, they want us Filipinos, Kapampangan, to actually experience it as well. So meron po silang mga promo for locals para ma-experience talaga natin on how luxurious experience or spa ng mga Koreans pwede rin nating maranasan. So hopefully you can visit this place guys.
No chance in this life.
There are rooms that you can have like may mga jacuzzi, may sauna, a shower room. So all in one place actually, hindi ka nalalabas. And you can actually be pampered from that single space.
And also, hindi ka mai-intimidate dito kasi you can go solo, you can go couple.
Correct.
You can go in a group or bigger group.
So another testimony I heard is yung binabalik-balikan talaga nila dito are the therapists.
Oh, yeah. And yan, ginawang-ginawa talaga niya.
So,
Feel na feel ko yung massage.
Yeah, para sa akin naman, I think they have a very unique routine in which talagang strategic yung mararamdaman mo yung relaxation.
Yes, agree with that.
Yeah,
They
no?
have very unique routine.
Yeah.
You got no chance.
Also, in here, they have their sister business.
Yeah.
So, meron dito yung fox nail
Fox
naman. So,
nail.
earlier, guys, we had our foot spa,
Foot spa
had
and
pedicure. Ikaw naman.
Nails and lashes and facial.
So, yung actually facial, ang tawag sa ginawa sa'yo ay skin planning.
Oh.
Actually have a unique skincare or
Yes,
skin procedure
oo,
dito. I think this is parang straight from Korea
Oo.
talaga. Sobrang marala.
Yes, and also the staff.
Yes.
Yung very welcoming ang mga staff, very friendly, and ako gustong-gusto ko on how they treat yung mga
Or
customers
interact, yes.
interact, and how they provide the service.
Alright. So, ayun guys, if you are interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including all the details dito
Yes.
po sa post to. So, go check them out. Another place for you to, visit or figure out or discover. You discover great places dito po sa Pampanga. So, there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and we hope to see you here.
See you here.
Bye guys.
Bye.